In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDFs in Adobe Scan. If you want to combine multiple pages into one clean PDF using Adobe Scan, the good news is that the process is very simple. Adobe Scan essentially lets you build a single PDF while you scan. So instead of creating separate files and trying to merge them later, you can capture everything in one session and save it as one document. To begin, open Adobe Scan on your device. Once the app is open, look for the camera or plus button and tap it to start a new scan. This is what opens the scanning tool and gets you ready to capture your pages. Next, scan the first page of your document. Try to place the page on a flat, well-lit surface so the app can detect the edges more clearly. Holding your device steady for a moment can also help produce a sharper result. Adobe Scan usually does a good job of automatically recognizing the page, but taking an extra second here can make the final PDF look much cleaner. After the first page is captured, continue scanning the rest of your pages one by one. Keep going in the order you want them to appear in the final PDF, because all of these scanned pages will be grouped together into a single file. As you move through the pages, make sure each one is readable and aligned properly. If something looks off, it's best to catch it while you're still scanning rather than after the file has already been saved. Once you've scanned all the pages you need, tap Save PDF. This is the step that finalizes the document and combines everything you just scanned into one PDF file. In other words, all of the pages from your scan session will be saved together as a single PDF, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to merge pages into one document. That's really the key thing to understand with Adobe Scan. The merge happens as part of the scanning workflow. As long as you keep adding pages during the same scan session and then save at the end, Adobe Scan will package them all into one PDF for you. So to recap in a natural way, you open Adobe Scan, tap the camera or plus button, scan your first page, continue scanning the remaining pages in order, and then tap Save PDF. Once you do that, your pages are stored together in one single PDF. And that's how to merge PDFs in Adobe Scan.